The Canoly C16 3-in-1 multi-function juicer is the best 3-in-1 juicer I've ever used. Craving something sweet? Frozen fruit plus this machine equals the healthiest dessert you'll ever make. Store bought, full of ingredients you can't even pronounce? Homemade is just fruit, just nuts, simple.
I'm not gonna lie, a little skeptic of tried my own juice I made here. So I'm gonna give a shot here. It seems like when you buy orange juice at the store, you gotta pay X amount of dollars. The more expensive, the actually better it is, and actually tastes better. But again, what kind of additives they put in there? Added sugar. You have to read the label too. This I make at home. I can just throw the orange in there. Say, well, there's no additional sugar added in there, and so forth. So here we go. Bottoms up. That's good. The sherbet I made, the sherbet is just frozen mangoes, frozen strawberries. And I've had sherbet since I was a kid, and that's been quite some time. If you, and I'm really shocked the way it came out. I was like, I mean, I don't know, which is frozen strawberries and mangoes. It's not going to taste very good at all, and it does. And so the only additives are the frozen strawberries and the mango. This is gonna save me a lot of calories because I can get this and use this thing instead of like feeding for like say something sugary, say ice cream, even the yogurt, the frozen yogurt, and so forth. And there's a lot of things I can actually pronounce that I make here at home, which is just strawberries and mangoes, and it's fantastic. The juicer's fantastic too. It's pretty much a 3-in-1. It's going to save me a lot of space and a lot of time. And I'm just kind of in awe about the sherbet I made here too. Really, really, this is fantastic, and I definitely recommend this to anybody. Really enjoy this thing, and trying to eat this before it melts here. So you gotta forgive me here.
And cleanup is quite easy with the Canoly C16 3-in-1 multi-function juicer. Assembly is easy too. Bring home the 3 functions in one smart device and turn everyday ingredients into healthy delights. No need for multiple appliances. The Canoly Juicer C16 does it all. What are you waiting for?